Good morning everyone. Welcome to Astro Global School. Today we are going to start a new topic in English grammar, that is simple present tense. Now before we start this topic, let us first revise about verbs. Now we all know what are verbs. They are action words. They show action like take, brush, eat, drink, play, go, then, buy, fight, share and etc. Now, when we talk about simple present tense, here we use the verbs that are in present tense. Now, what do we mean by present tense? Now, we all know three forms of tenses: past tense, present tense, and the third form is future tense, right? Now, when we talk about take. So what is the past tense of take? Took. And what is the future tense? So here the verbs, this is a verb. The verbs that we use in simple present tense are in present form. Like play, yes, it is a present tense. Go, yes. What is the past tense of go? Went. Then take, yes. Buy, yes. Fight, yes, it is in present tense. So the verb or the form of verb that we use in simple present tense are always in the present form. So this is the most important thing that you need to remember. Now, next. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now we will be seeing that what type of sentence come under this group. Right, everyone? First, talk about habits. For example, we can take Priya takes her breakfast every morning. He waters plant every day. Now, Priya takes her breakfast every morning. Now here we are talking about habit. Now what is habit of Priya? That she takes her breakfast every morning. Now takes is a verb. Right, everyone? Take is a verb and it is in present tense. Take is the verb. It is in present tense, so we can say that this sentence is a simple present tense. Now, he waters plants every day. So here, waters is verb, and in which tense it is? Present tense. Present tense. So, this sentence has a verb which is in present tense. So, we can say that this sentence is also a simple present tense. Now, when we are talking about habit, Leela is biting her nails. Okay, this is also a sentence. Biting here is verb, but is it in present tense? Is it in present tense? No, this verb is in future tense. So, this sentence does not comes under simple present tense. Now, if we want to convert this sentence into present tense, what will say? Leela bites her nails. So, this is habit of Leela, that every time she bites her nails. But here, this is the verb and it is in present tense. So, the sentence is said to be a simple present tense. Now, second, to talk about things we do every day. Here we can give example. I go to school every day. Then second, I finish my homework daily. Now, here the verb is go, right? Go is the verb, and in which tense it is? Present tense. So this sentence we can say that I go to school every day. Here go is your verb and it is in present tense. So this sentence can be said as simple present tense. Now, let's see about the next one. I finish my homework daily. Now here finish is our verb and it is also in present tense. So even this sentence belongs to simple present tense, right? Now the third one, Now the third type of sentence that we are going to learn or see is something about permanent facts. Let's see. Number 3. To talk about permanent facts or conditions. Now here Rohit works in bank. Number 2, I live in Navsari. Sun is a star. Now, Rohit works in bank. Is it a permanent condition or fact? Yes, because Rohit is working in a bank. We cannot change this. Can we change? No. So this is a permanent condition. Now, here we have verbs. It is our verb. And is it in present tense? Yes. Here the verb is in present tense. So what type of sentence is it? Simple present tense, because here we have verb and it is in present tense. Now, I live in Navsari. Now here live is our verb, and which tense it is? Present tense. So, even this sentence comes under simple present tense because our verb is in present tense. Now, the fourth form we are going to see is four. Number 4 is to talk about something we like or don't like. Here we can take examples like I like to watch movies. Number 2 we can take as she doesn't like to eat oranges. Now here our verb is, can anyone say? Okay. This is our verb and it is in the form of present tense. So even this sentence comes under simple present tense. Now what is the heading? to talk about something we like or don't like. Now, I like to watch movie. She doesn't like to eat oranges. Something we like or don't like. Here we are liking to watch movie, but here she doesn't like to eat oranges. So even this sentences come under simple present tense. Now the next form of sentence, to talk about things that are permanently true or permanent truth. So let's see few sentences. To talk about things that are permanently true means we cannot change them. So first example is the earth revolves around the sun. Number 2 is water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now, can we change this? The earth revolves around the sun. Can anyone change this statement? No. So, they are known as permanent truth or permanently true sentences which cannot be changed by anyone. Now, here revolves is our verb and it is in the form of present tense. The earth revolves around the sun. Revolves is our verb and it is in present tense. So this sentence is a permanent true sentence that comes under simple present tense. Now same way, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now can we make the water boil at 90 degrees Celsius or 120? No. We cannot change this sentence. Water always boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now in this sentence, our verb is boils. In which tense it is? Present tense. Present tense. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is a permanent truth. It has a verb that is in present tense. So even this sentence comes under simple present tense. Now the next that we are going to see is about timetable. To talk about timetable. Now let's see a few examples for this too. To talk about things that are going to happen at particular time. Or in short we can say things that are based on timetable. To talk about things that are going to happen at particular time means at a fixed time. Now examples that we can take for this can be number 1. The bus leaves at 3 o'clock p.m. Now, let us first see our first sentence. The bus leaves at 3 o'clock p.m. Now, the bus is going to leave at 3 o'clock. Things that are going to happen at particular time. Now, particular time is 3 o'clock. Thing that is happening is the bus is going to leave at 3 o'clock p.m. Now, here our verb is leaves. Leaves is our verb and it is in present tense. Which tense? Present tense. The bus leaves at 3 o'clock p.m. Leaves is a verb and it is in present tense. Now, this phenomenon or this thing is taking place at a particular time. So, this sentence is also a simple present tense. Now, a second example. I take rickshaw to go to school on Monday. Now, every Monday, I take rickshaw to go to school. At a particular time? Yes, only on Mondays I am taking rickshaw. Now, here, this is our verb and it is in present tense. Which tense? Present tense. So, even this sentence comes at a simple present tense. Now, there are some points or we can say there are some rules that we have to keep in our mind while forming a simple present tense. So, there are two main points that we have to keep in mind that I am going to tell you now. So, we are going to see formation of simple present tense. So, point number 1 is when our noun is singular, when we have singular noun, that is he, she or it. When we have singular noun, we have to add s or es. We have to add s or es to the verb. Right? But when we have plural noun, when it is in plural state, we use verb in its base form. Means we don't have to add don't add s or es. So, when our noun is in singular form, that is he, she or it, we have to add s or es to the verb. But when our noun is in plural form, we have to use verb in its base form. Means we don't have to add s or es. Now let us see one example for each. The bird flies in the sky. This is for singular. Now let's see an example for plural one too. The boys go to school. Now, the bird flies in the sky. Here what we said, formation of simple sentence, simple present tense. So what we have to see carefully is our noun. The noun should be singular. In this sentence, bird is our noun. Is it in singular form? Yes. Here we are talking about only one bird. Now, flies is our verb. When we have a singular noun, we add s or es to the verb. Got it? Here we had singular noun, that is bird. So we added es to our verb. Now, the boys go to school. Here our noun is boys. We are talking about many boys, not one boy. So here we have our verb as go. Did we add s or es in the verb? No. Why? Use verb in its base form, or we do not have to add s or es. So in singular, when our noun is singular, we have to add s or es in the verb. Whereas when our noun is plural, we have to use verb as it is. We do not have to add s or es to the verb. So let us quickly now recall what all we have studied today. First, we studied about verbs. What are verbs? Then present tense, that how we can describe that a word is in present tense, past tense or future tense. Then we learned something about simple present tense. Then types of sentences in simple present tense, which were they? First, habits. Second, things that we do regularly. Third, that is permanent situation that we cannot change. Fourth, things that we like or do not like. Fifth, things that are always true. And number 6 is something that happened in a particular time, or something that is going to happen at a particular time. Then after, we studied about formation of simple present tense, that is when our noun is singular we have to add s or es to the verb. When our noun is plural, we do not have to add s or es to the verb. So that was all for today. So quickly just recall all these things, and next we will be doing our exercise. Okay everyone, bye, take care.